Okay, let's get into it. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a website called Sentura Coffee.
Mm.
Our mission here is to look at the sources, mainly this pretty detailed review from the X Guide YouTube channel, and figure out, well, is this site legit? They claim to sell premium coffee, lifestyle goods, the whole package.
Right, and it's, crucial to do this kind of check nowadays. It looks high-end, sure,
Yeah.
but appearances online can be, well, very deceiving. Centura Coffee looks slick, but we really need to peek behind the curtain, look at the actual evidence.
And they definitely put effort into that slick look. It's got a clean design, really nice photos, sounds just like a fancy coffee boutique.
Right.
They even slap a U.S. address on there, San Diego. Looks pretty convincing.
It does look convincing, but that's the surface. Once you start digging, even just a little bit, that address doesn't mean much. The technical side tells a different story.
Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. If you're claiming to be this established premium coffee place,
Hmm.
how old should your website really be? Because the source points out the Centura Coffee domain is like brand new.
And that's flag number one, isn't it? That timing mismatch for specialty goods being just weeks or months old, that's highly suspicious. It means they haven't built up any real history to back those premium claims. And actually, external trust tools, they flagged it immediately, very low safety score. That screams risk, like maybe you pay and get nothing, or something totally different.
Right, and if they are selling specialty stuff, shouldn't there be like a community, people talking about it? But the source is zero social media presence, nothing. Now, could they just be new, like still getting set up? Well, where's the line between new and suspiciously non-existent?
That's a fair question. Every business has to start somewhere, yeah? But think about it, a premium coffee vendor. You'd expect something. Maybe a few customer photos on Instagram, a basic Facebook page, any sign of life or infrastructure, but complete silence. No verified reviews, no proofs anyone's actually received coffee from them. That fails the basic social proof test. It feels, well, low effort.
Not like a real business finding its feet. Okay, this leads us to maybe the weirdest part. The bit that really made me think, okay, this isn't a real coffee shop. They say premium coffee brand, right? But you browse their full product list under the Centura Coffee name.
And you find things that have absolutely nothing to do with coffee,
Yeah.
like fireplaces, generators, random home tools.
Mhm.
Seriously, you're supposed to buy your gourmet beans and, I don't know, a wrench in the same order.
It's just bizarre. What does that kind of product mix actually signal about their setup?
That right there is probably the biggest giveaway. It screams default e-commerce template. They've likely just loaded it up with thousands of generic, probably drop-shipped items. Zero actual focus on specialty coffee. It strongly suggests it's just a temporary front. Collect some money, maybe ship something cheap and unrelated, or just disappear. Which is why, several scam-checking sites label Centura Coffee as highly suspicious.
So the big takeaway for you listening is pretty clear. Don't just trust the nice website and the fancy address. Before you give any site your money, especially a new one, look for actual proof, history, real customer activity, signs they actually deliver what they promise.
Exactly. And maybe here's a final thought to chew on. If a site claiming to be specialty coffee, watches, whatever, can too easily mix its supposed premium goods with totally random stuff like power tools, what does that tell us about how much we as online shoppers are willing to overlook just because a website looks convenient and professional? Something to consider next time a deal seems maybe a bit too perfect online.